They call her the queen of seduction, but there's so much more to her than that. Sunny, you've always said that being sexy comes like really easy to you, and we've seen that. Yeah. There's a side of you that when we interact, and I know and a lot of people know, is something that you also would want others to know. Do you think now that can happen? Do you think, or it's still, there is some time left?
I have no idea. I'm going to find out after this weekend. I think that it takes time. I always say that I can change one person's opinion at a time. I don't know about changing millions or hundreds at one time, but I think this movie, Ek Pehli Leela, will help a little bit because it's a little bit different than things that I've done before. My character is a little bit different. It's a story-based role. It's not just, about oof, oof, and oof.
We know you're the most searched person online, but you kind of own Twitter as well. Like whatever, somehow you're always trending in 2-3 weeks. That's an interesting thing because otherwise you have Shah Rukh or Salman and really a lot of people trending like that. Does that kind of also make you feel like you own it?
Yeah, well today my husband sent me a message saying, "You're trending on Twitter." And I think the last time that I remember I trended was during Ragini, but it was Ragini MMS 2, and it was Baby Doll that was trending. So it wasn't me. It was me, but it wasn't me. And I was really happy today to see that because that means people are interested in Leela, actually. It's a direct result of Ek Pehli Leela.
What is the most ridiculous and funny things that people ask you on Twitter or on online or on comments that you see?
It's not usually like questions. It's usually weird comments. Like the other day somebody sent me this message saying, "Hey, I've reviewed your movie," but it was Thursday night. The movie didn't come out yet. How are you reviewing the movie?
How do you now that you've been here, you actually don't take everything to heart? You have to learn it that way, isn't it? What do you usually do when people are not being so nice?
I kind of just internalize it, and if it's something that is bothering me, I usually have it out to my husband. He's the only one that ever hears it, the real opinion of what's going on, but that's who it should be. It should be somebody that I'm close to, that I don't have to ever worry about them talking about what I say. So it does hurt me. I am human. I'm not a robot. I might look like, a robot Barbie doll, but I'm not it.
I have feelings.
You can't wind me up and turn me on. So it does hurt in some way, but at the same time, you got to roll it off your shoulders and just move on. I kind of just do something else. It goes out of my mind, and then I forget about it.
I heard a very interesting thing. I've heard that Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor, to a common friend of yours, asked about how are Sunny Leone and Daniel together. It's a very close source, and they want to know how your life is, how you...
And I want to know how their life is.
But is it true, eh? Have you heard about this?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
No.
And so from a very close source has told me. To end it, I'm going to ask you about, there's this video of Deepika's My Choice that everybody was talking about. And I'm sure you watched it. You also been a woman of strong opinions. What did you have to say? And the kind of furore that it caused with a lot of opinions coming in, pouring in. What was your opinion?
Okay, so I don't really think that my opinion really counts in this. Only because I'm not from here. So my views of life, my views of different things are very, very different. Sure. But when I watched it, I go, okay, cool, it's awesome. That was that's what I thought of it. I later found out that it had created such a controversy and all these things. I think that women that want to speak out, that want to believe in this my choice and doing things my way, everybody out there knows I've done everything my way, and on top of that, I've done everything backwards and upside down. Everything I am not supposed to do, I have done it. So again, I don't think that my opinion counts here.
Well, that was great. I think more power to you as well. Thank you so much, Sunny, once again, and all the very best. You have a long week to go.